Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel, theHarvester here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to install an open source information gathering tool by the name of theHarvester. Now without further ado, let's head on over to my terminal and get the installation process started. Now let me just head on over to my root user. Now let me just go ahead and run sudo apt-get install theHarvester. Installation process is pretty simple. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run theHarvester. Tag D. Facebook.com. Tag B. Bing. Let's just give this some time. Now as you guys can see, no IP address was found, no email were found, no hosts were found. Now let me just go ahead and explain. Now basically the tag D is used to specify the domain, B is used to specify the data source. Now if you guys wanted to gather information from a source and you wanted to have a specific limit, you then would use the tag L command. I'll be placing all the commands in the description box. Now this video is only for educational purposes only. Please use this only for that purpose. So yeah, that's just basically it. Is a pretty simple tool. It's very straightforward, very easy to use. So yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and consider subscribing. So until next time, theHarvester is out. Peace.